Let's be real. In a world full of filters, fillers, and face apps, keeping your natural face card valid is a flex. But what if I told you that you can level up your face naturally, without any injections, surgery, or expensive treatments? In this video, I'm breaking down everything you can do to enhance your facial appearance in a real, organic way. We're getting into practical steps that actually make your face pop over time. Let's get into it. Skincare is your base layer. If your skin isn't clean and balanced, nothing else will hit right. The most important part of improving your face card naturally is getting serious about skincare. Start by washing your face twice a day, morning and night. Use a gentle, non-stripping cleanser that fits your skin type. Exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week with a chemical exfoliant like salicylic or glycolic acid to clear dead skin cells and bring out a natural glow. After cleansing, always follow with a moisturizer, even if you have oily skin. Hydration helps balance your oil production and keeps your skin looking plump. And no matter the season, wear sunscreen daily. UV damage is the fastest way to age your face and lose definition. Your future face will thank you. Cold water and ice for instant tightening. A super underrated tip is using cold water and ice therapy. Rinsing your face with cold water after cleansing helps tighten your pores and reduce puffiness. Even better, running an ice cube over your face in the morning can give you an instant lift. It stimulates circulation, brings down swelling, and gives your skin a fresh, tight look. Want to take it up a notch? Freeze green tea or chamomile tea into ice cubes. Both have anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe and brighten your skin over time. Facial massage and lymphatic drainage. One of the easiest and most effective ways to sculpt your face naturally is through facial massage. It helps reduce bloating, lifts your features, and boosts circulation. You can use your fingers, a jade roller, or a gua sha stone, whatever feels good. Use a light oil or serum to avoid pulling your skin. Start at the center of your face and glide outward and upward. Focus on the jawline, cheekbones, and under the eyes. Doing this daily, even for 5 minutes, helps define your natural bone structure and gives you a refreshed, contoured look without makeup. Groom your eyebrows and facial hair. People underestimate how much your eyebrows shape your entire face. Cleaning up your brows, whether that's trimming, shaping, or lightly filling them in, can instantly lift your face and bring attention to your eyes. Hydration plus nutrition. Drink water, eat skin-friendly foods like berries, nuts, and salmon. Add lemon honey turmeric water for that extra glow. Sleep like your skin depends on it, because it does. Lack of sleep shows up immediately on your face. Puffy eyes, dull skin, dark circles, it's all connected. Prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Mouth posture and facial expression awareness. You may have heard about mewing, and while it's not magic, proper tongue posture can improve your facial structure subtly over time. Keeping your tongue pressed gently to the roof of your mouth helps support your jawline and keeps your profile tight. Also, be mindful of your expressions. Constant frowning, squinting, or scrunching your face leads to early fine lines and tension. A relaxed face is a younger-looking face. Even something as simple as keeping your face neutral and breathing through your nose can create long-term changes. Energy, expression, and confidence. This part matters more than you think. Your facial energy, the way you carry your features, makes a huge difference. When you carry yourself with confidence, keep your posture lifted, and smile more often, your face naturally looks more appealing. People don't remember every little flaw. They remember your presence. Learn your angles, take care of your skin, and keep your energy clean. That's how your face card stays valid. That's it for today. Real tips, no fluff, and no filters. If you made it this far, you're clearly serious about leveling up. Drop a comment if you learned something new, and subscribe if you're ready for more natural glow-up content. Your face card is about to be undefeated.